An increase in the quota for the BUDI MADANI RON95 fuel subsidy initiative may lead to leakages, as data shows that a significant number of those fully utilising their quota are refuelling near border areas. Treasury Secretary General Datuk Johan Mahmud Merican said data also reveals that 95% of Malaysians use less than 180 litres of fuel per month. Based on these figures, he said the current 300-litre monthly quota is sufficient for normal personal use. Statistics further indicate that less than 0.7% of Malaysians consume more than 300 litres of fuel for personal purposes. By reducing leakages, Johan said the government expects to save around 2.5 billion ringgit annually, targeting the 20% of RON95 subsidies currently lost to business use, foreign consumption or smuggling, based on current oil prices of around $60 per barrel. This will ensure public funds are channeled more effectively, allowing the government to focus on development and welfare programs.
One of the areas that PM also, I think, emphasized in his budget speech, one of the ways of being able to reduce the deficit but yet also spend more on the rakyat is by ensuring we address leakages menangani ketirisan. So that's why this emphasis on targeted subsidies. Even if we continue to help the Malaysians with cost of living, make sure that the foreigners or large corporations are not benefiting from subsidies.
The BUDI95 system, which records an average of 3 million transactions daily and is used by 12 million active Malaysians, has been performing well so far. Once fully stabilized, the government plans to introduce weekly price adjustments under the program. Johan explained that the gradual implementation approach is designed to ensure the system runs smoothly while continuing to protect Malaysians through targeted subsidies before moving towards a market-linked pricing mechanism.
However, just as how we implemented the diesel last June, we thought when we introduce something new, we first maintain the price first, just for a while. Make sure that the system is working well, but the intention is that soon the pump price will be adjusted on a regular basis to follow the market movements, to ensure that it remains at a level without subsidy. But we thought this is the initial stage of implementation. We just at least keep that one constant, let people get used to the new system before we start doing the weekly adjustments.
Johan said the implementation of BUDI95 demonstrates Malaysia's homegrown approach to subsidy reform, one that protects citizens from abrupt price hikes often recommended by international institutions.